Hi everyone, in today's video, we'll cover a full day meal plan tailored for working women to keep you energized and healthy. You'll discover easy meal ideas that fit into your busy schedule without compromising on nutrition. We'll also share smart snack options perfect for office hours, helping you stay full and focused. We'll discuss which foods to avoid for better digestion and effective weight management. Plus, you'll get simple tips on how to maintain your health even with a hectic lifestyle. For a detailed diet plan, check out the link in the description box and the pinned comment below. Start your day with a glass of warm water mixed with lemon and honey. This helps remove toxins from the body and improves digestion. It also wakes up your metabolism and keeps you fresh in the morning. If you feel bloated or sluggish, this drink will help. A small step, but a powerful habit. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, especially if you have long working hours. Choose from options like moong dal chilla with veggies, which is rich in protein and keeps you energized. Oats porridge with fruits provides fiber and natural sweetness for sustained energy. Poha with peanuts is light yet filling, giving you the right mix of carbs and protein. You can also have a banana smoothie, which is quick to make and keeps you full for hours. A fiber-rich jwar upma improves digestion and boosts metabolism. If you love besan chilla, it's another great protein-packed choice that keeps cravings away. A nutritious breakfast keeps you full and prevents cravings at work. Mid-morning is when hunger strikes, and you might feel tired. Instead of reaching for unhealthy snacks, have a seasonal fruit along with almonds and walnuts. This gives your body natural energy and keeps your brain sharp at work. Nuts are also great for skin and hair health. Keep these in your office drawer for an easy and quick snack. Lunchtime should be a mix of carbs, protein, and fiber to keep you full for long. You can choose curd rice with cucumber salad, which cools the stomach and improves digestion. Masoor dal with fulka is rich in protein and iron, keeping energy levels stable. Paneer curry with fulka provides a good balance of protein and healthy fats for muscle strength. Rajma with rice and salad is another protein-rich option that helps in weight management. If you prefer something light, vegetable khichdi with curd is easy to digest and comforting. Mixed vegetable curry with fulka adds fiber and essential vitamins, keeping you active throughout the day. These meals give steady energy without making you feel sleepy in the afternoon. Evening time is when we crave snacks the most. Instead of biscuits or fried snacks, go for roasted chana, which is rich in protein and helps control hunger. Roasted peanuts provide healthy fats and keep energy levels stable. Kurmura bhel is a light and crunchy snack that is easy to digest. Roasted makhana is also a great option as it is crunchy, filling, and low in calories. These snacks are high in fiber and protein, keeping you satisfied till dinner. Keep them handy to avoid unhealthy munching. Dinner should be light yet packed with nutrition. Paneer bhurji with fulka is a high-protein option that keeps you full without being heavy on the stomach. Masala oats are a quick and wholesome choice, rich in fiber and perfect for digestion. Moong dal paneer chilla is a protein-packed meal that is light but keeps you satisfied. If you love wraps, vegetable wrap is a healthy and convenient option filled with fiber and vitamins. Pongal is a comforting and easy-to-digest meal, ideal for a peaceful night's sleep. Millet dosa with peanut chutney is a great combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats that supports digestion and a good night's rest. Meal prepping on Sunday can save time during the week while ensuring you eat healthy. Start by making moong dal chilla and besan chilla batter, and store them in an airtight container for easy use throughout the week. Roast oats for porridge and store them in a container, so you can quickly prepare a nutritious breakfast. Pre-cut fruits for smoothie and freeze them in portion Ziploc bags to blend with ease. Chop veggies for poha, upma, and chillas, and store them in separate airtight containers to keep them fresh. Finally, dry roast jwar for upma and store it in an airtight container, making meal prep even simpler. Start by cooking and storing masoor dal, rajma, and mixed dal in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, making it easy to add protein to your meals. Prepare the curd rice tempering and store it separately, then mix with fresh curd before serving for a quick, refreshing meal. Boil and store paneer, so it's ready for curries, bhurji, or wraps throughout the week. Cook and store brown rice in the fridge for 4 to 5 days, providing a nutritious base for lunches or dinners. Pre-chop salad veggies like cucumber, carrots, and tomatoes, and store them in airtight containers for quick access. Lastly, boil sprouts for your salad and store them for 2 to 3 days, and prepare a mixed vegetable curry base to use for up to 3 days, making healthy meals even more convenient. Lastly, start by making millet dosa batter and store it in the fridge for up to 3 days, so you can enjoy fresh dosas anytime. Pre-make the paneer bhurji masala and store it in an airtight container for quick assembly when needed. Chop veggies for vegetable wraps and masala oats, and store them in airtight containers for easy access. Pre-cook dal and rice for pongal, and store them for up to 3 days, making meal prep even easier. Dry roast peanuts for peanut chutney and store them in an airtight container to add flavor and protein to your meals. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon honey water to kickstart your metabolism. Follow it up with a protein-rich breakfast, like moong dal chilla or oats porridge, to keep you full and energized. For a healthy office snack, opt for roasted chana or masala nuts to avoid unhealthy munching. At lunch, go for a balanced meal with dal, curd, or paneer to fuel your body and keep you satisfied. Choose smart evening snacks like roasted makhana or kurmura bhel to curb cravings without the guilt. Finally, keep your dinner light and nutritious, ensuring better digestion and a peaceful sleep, and don't forget to drink enough water throughout the day. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Taking care of your health doesn't have to be complicated. Small, smart changes can make a huge difference. By planning your meals and snacks wisely, you can boost your energy and stay on track with your health goals. Remember, consistency is key, so stick with these simple habits for long-term benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others who could use some meal inspiration. Stay healthy, stay energized, and we'll see you in the next video.